And hi, here's the Holcim one screw. So here's the product and band here. One way into the machine, okay? And now you can check this one is the Holcim also. Number 2 Holcim. This one. And this one. These two can be apart, right? Let's dig that into the machine. And I want to show you the inside of the machine. That's how we assemblize the hose clamp here. And I would like to show you some videos while the machine is working, but I think it's better to see it that you come to our factory and we will start this machine for you.